Check, check, 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, 1, 2. Why is it so low? Check, check. Let's see. Main mic. Check, check, check. Oh, there we go. Let's mute this. Check 2. All right. Watching the market right here. Big drop. Check. Check, 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 check. Let's see what we can do right here. Let me get a bet going. All right, markets on this drop down. We're trying to retrace back up. We retraced a little bit, but not too much. All right. All right, just watching the market right now. We can see we got the drop this morning off of the rip right at the open from like this 29 246 all the way down to 28 948. I mean, like 300 points or so. I'm just guesstimating. We retraced back maybe. Let me bunch these together. Hold on, let me get these fibs together. Let me put this one back in. All right, get those fibs back in right there. Yeah, we retraced about 50% right here. So make this yellow so you guys can see a little better on the 50%. At least that's a different color. Yeah, we had this big drop, retrace about 50% right here at 29,095, and now we're kind of retracing back down. So we might that might be it for the retracement, and we might start hitting some lower lows for the day. We'll see. We'll see. Let me know if you have any questions. Your boy DJ Marquise, aka the DJ Daytrader, hanging out with you. That's right. Up on the day on our evals right here. We got no fundeds right now. We've just been ripping through evals lately, so let me get this echo out of here. All right, so we're just gonna try and take things slow and not go so crazy. Now we want to short maybe under this 58. We could get short here. We're trading our my funded 58. Let's just put right there. Stop at 63, about 10 points above, risking like $100 here. On the eval, we're up 2 something on that eval. We don't want it to break over that 58.50 here. Kind of rejected it there. Let's see if we can get a little points down here. Usually I just take it right off the rip. I've been trying to be better about holding it, but as you can see, holding doesn't always work for me so well. Here we go. Are we going to take out 100 here? Let's see. We'll just leave it there. Look like we want to come back down, honestly. So 58 on the bid ask. We're just trying to hold under there. There we go. A little bit something there. Trying to look for like the midpoint right here between 21 and 58. That's like 40. What's that? 37 points, so 16 down, like in the low 40s we're looking for here. So maybe like a 10, 15 point move here if we can get it, if we don't pop up into the stop. Kind of want to hold it here. 61. Sometimes I leave my stops, I think, too close. I like to keep it tight, but sometimes like I oversize it. Sometimes it's better to double the stop and half the size. Sometimes that's the best way to do. Double the stop, half the size, just to keep your trade alive. Double the stop, half the size. That's how you say it. Double the stop, half the size, keep your trade alive. See, now I'm gonna get stopped down at 63 if we tap it. Look like we want to go down though, honestly, but we might retrace. Might give it a little bit more room just to keep this trade alive, like 65, maybe 68 here. We risk 150 here. That's it though. That'll give up like some of our gains on the day, but hard to say. We did fall, pull back to this EMA here. Want to get definitely back under 58 here. There's our 63-ish tap. We might pull back into this. Isn't pull into the halfway, so we shouldn't retrace back up into here. But I should have sized like half the size, double the stop. Instead, I'm risking more than I would want to, but we'll just see what happens here. 53 is our entry. We're looking short. We tap back up into 63. seeing if we get down. This 5-minute hopefully closes below 58, and then we head down to like the mid 40s or so. Watching this retracement level. See what happens. Hopefully my mic stays stable. There you go. I'm not gonna add in. I was gonna add in, but I'm not gonna add in. I was gonna add in, but I'm not gonna add in. I didn't even look if I want that. Oh, there's a little drop. Placement. Where's that stupid thing? I wasn't even watching it. We're gonna look for the drop. We're not gonna try to take it off too early. 15 present congratulations. I guess I did it. $50. Let's trail it here. Let's put our stop right behind it. I think probably like a 50 to 100 bucks a pop. You know, sometimes it takes me out early, but we're up 311 on the day on our core. Up 945, trying to make 3,000 on down. Up 497 on our builder first day. 1,500 is the goal on that one, so not too bad. We got some take profits up here as well. Up 244, almost 1,300 on our one account. The other one we're up only 42 bucks, but we're up 375 total on our take profit trader eval. So taking it nice and slow, trying not to blow anything. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get all crazy and what. Look like we want to retrace back down though. Shoot, I should have held down under this level here. Let me double check these secondary fibs, bigger time frame fibs. Put down away. These are like bigger time frame fibs with these ones are like quarter fibs in between them. Between the thick lines, these are like higher time frame fibs, and these thin lines are like quarter fibs in between those areas there. So it is what it is. You know, trying to not chase, trying to wait for the pullbacks into certain areas. See, we pull back into that 77, and now we're kind of hoping we stay under that. 63 was on the other one, but I don't know. We kind of retrace back here, kind of halfway in between these levels. Now we're dropping into halfway in between this bottom level, so we start building this like symmetrical. Basically what the symmetrical is just building up liquidity to either shoot up or shoot down. Which way, we don't know. That's why it's symmetrical. Or it could be doing kind of like a bear flag like that, but a lot of patterns are traps for liquidity traps. So it's, oh, the bear flag is gonna go down. Next thing you know, it shoots up 100 points right in your face, and next thing your account is like blown the up. That's right. Anyways, all right. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, not sure what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna make some coffee. I'll be right back, y'all. Give me a sec. Check. All right. We'll bring the mic a little bit. I'm gonna slide myself over. Let's stand up for a bit. Feet getting a little, butt getting a little sore. Sitting, so let's see if we can get a trade here. Seems like this market wants to go back up here. Want to finish some retracement, so let's just watch for this leg retracement here. I hate when it draws those. Retracing 625, we're going to look for retracement up into this 75%, 87.5. Some people use 78.6, 88.6. Yeah, something like that. But it's like a fraction of a percentage, so it don't make much of a difference. Start DJing. I'll put my DJ stuff and start DJing while I... That might be the next thing, DJing while trading. Dang, just got my coffee. It's my got this for a present. It's like a Hawaiian punch cup. You can see. I don't know if you can see it. But... too much ice is blocking the coffee from coming through. All right, we're gonna wait till we see a retracement, maybe to this. If I can put this, looks like my head's getting cut off a little bit. I guess that's the top. Yeah. See if we retrace back to this point, 75% level, 169. She's 8.75 is 206. So about. I guess we can short here. Let's put a trap here. Short one. Hopefully we get up to this level. 66. We'll sell one there. And then up to the 200 we'll sell another one up here. And we just wait for it, I guess. Trying to learn my patience to just not over trade over size. Like I said, half the size, double the stop. That's my new motto. Half the size, double the stop. If you take half the size, you can double your stop. And how many times have you got stopped out and then the trade goes your way, right? So half the size, double the stop. That's like double mint gum, right? Double your pleasure, double your fun. Anyways, that's an old school reference. Alright, let's see if this plan works out. Let me see if I can find anything on my footprint chart, which been kind of being weird as of late. Well, just today. It keeps like erroring out. I'm like, why am I paying this money for it? There you go. It's already candles. Just trying to see if we can find some resistance. Got some resistance up here in like the 21, what is this, 55, 60 area. So that's actually right here near the, right. You can see the volume. These are all like, what do they call them? The volume footprint chart, but it's like the imbalances, stacked imbalances here up until like 170ish. So definitely we might retrace into this stacked imbalance and then reject it. How far we go up into it, I don't know. You know, it's just a good probability to try and take the trade. Let me see. How does the mic sound like that? I think that unison is just a little bit too much effects, maybe. I don't know. That's like a lot. This is like nothing. Let me try that. Like that. Like that. That is a lot. That is a lot. But if we go a little reverb, add a little echo, a little delay, that's too much. Like that. That might be too much. All right. Gonna wait and see what this. We had a stacked imbalance here that we just blew right through. You can see this yellow. not a stacked imbalance, but imbalance. There's no bids over here, but that was the previous candle. So that's the problem with using some of these candles. Some people like to go the 1 minute footprint chart to see what they call the whale buyers or big buyers in the market coming in at a certain price point on the 1 minute, and but those can go either way too. So if it's not necessarily it's going to block the way of the price action. Sometimes you can have a whale there, and then if it just breaks right through, then you know that buying is stronger that whale, so you can kind of trade in the opposite direction of that, right? I don't know. Let me see if I can listen to this. I'm gonna just chill out right now. I just have to stretch out my legs a little bit. Here we go. Pushing up here. Here we go. We're going pushing into. See, on the inverse of the trade, I could have took it long. See, I could have took it long from 32, this level here, into the one I'm trying to short into. Jeez, and that would have been 30 points. Yeah, should have done that. Especially right here down at the 29058, we had that fake down breakdown where you think like, let me get the old paintbrush here. Kind of got this reversal right here, this area, thinking like, oh, we're gonna reverse and continue back down. We retrace 50% and then swipe right back up and just in your face. Kind of like in your face, you just get that big crack in your face. The next thing you know, you stopped out. So this trade might look kind of like counter trend, but it's not really counter trend. It's actually in this downtrend. This is just a retracement, right? So we'll see. We're not gonna try to go too big. We're just gonna try and see what we can get here. I need another screen. I think I got two screens. I got like a 49-inch monitor. It's like a TV, but it's an IPS, so it acts like a computer monitor. You try to use a TV, sometimes the mouse will act real glitchy or slow. But if you got an IPS TV monitor, then it'll have a mode for use it like on your computer. But yeah, I don't know. Up 311. I should be trading my after this. I should be trading my. I should be trading my take profit account. That's up only $40 on the day. This one's up 5. This one's up 3. Those are good amounts. Trying to not just. Here we go. We're gonna see if we trigger into this 66 area. Oh, we're already in that stacked imbalance. I might just take one short here just to get in. In case we don't pull back up. Why am I always on this brush? Oh, because I was brushing something. That's why. That could be why I brushed it. But you can trade a little early. You can see on this side we're into this stacked imbalances here. We could just rip right through it and just get my face blown off, but that's why I'm only taking one micro trade. There we go, popping up. Look at that. What is this? 58. Maybe try like 20 points up on like 58, 78-ish. And that's like a key. It's going slow. Usually volatility into like a 20, like 20 point, like 120, 220, whatever the case may be, is usually. If we get above this area, I'm stopping out for sure. But Like I said, 180, 280, 380, 120, 220, 320. Those areas got a lot of resistance. I don't know why. But if it usually, like if it creeps up like this, not so much. But if it like a volatile sharp move into it, it'll like likely a lot of times in the 80s it'll hit like 80, then kind of make a high and then get a little higher high sometimes into like the 80s, low 90s, and then it'll push back down. Lots of times, not all the time. I think it's 100%, right? So just my 2 cents. Alright, short 2. We down $40 on this trade. I guess we triggered into that 78. Add in like 1 or 2 more here, and then hopefully we stay under this 206. I'm gonna set my stop right at like, I don't want to go over this stuff. If we break over like this level here, let's just say 210ish, 210. Stop will be 210. We're looking for a retracement back down into this 50%, even at this 37. So 95, like what is this, 169, 30, like 50, 60 points or something like that, maybe. There we go. We're creeping back under the 75% retracement now. We might take it up to here. I don't know. I'm gonna watch it though. So 1 more at 88. Is that correct? Let me do it. What's my position? 2? Oh, there's one at 88. One at like 93-ish. What's my average here? 68? Dang, I'm gonna have to add 1 more already. Let me add 1 more here. I'm gonna go up max 5 here. Stop up here. I'm gonna just I'm not gonna set it. I'm just gonna actually let it go here. I'm just gonna manually do it here. All right. Why did I move that though? Those here we go. Okay. Above 2 something is our stop. Best oh, we got the bots hitting our view bots. Wouldn't mind buying some bots. Wouldn't mind buying some bots. I need all the help I can get. What? Like what? Like what? But don't spam my chat even though no one's in there. All right. Let's see if. That's too far. Let's see if we get this drop down. I don't know. Maybe get it, maybe not. I don't know. Hard to say. Probably going to be risking like, say, 60, 40. 40 times $2, 80. Probably risking $240 on this trade. Probably like most of our profits for the day. Oh my god. But it is an eval after all, so. Might have to add in here. This is our core. Our core has a little bit more room to 2,000 drawdown. It's a 50k, so we got 2k drawdown. That's where our builder is 25k, so only 1,000 drawdown, 1,500 profit target. So I'm gonna watch it here. It might, yeah, I might just stop it here. We might, I've seen it retrace like above 875 as well. Let's see what we get here. But the 80, being that it's in this 80 area, gives me a little bit more confidence. Like I want to try it, then maybe just tighten up my stop. 70, maybe like 90 if we hit 90. Let me just retrace and take this whole thing out. 87, I'm watching this 88 area, see if we get a struggle. Nope, 89 right above it. We get into like the 90s real quick and start elevating there. I might just get out. I'm not gonna add in. Already down. What is this? 125 on the trade. It might retrace all the way back up to here. It might stop me out, but I should have waited for the drop back, I think, maybe. That's what I should have waited for. See if it dropped back here and then enter it. 96. I don't like how fast it's moving through the 90s. We did have some areas here. $98. Yeah, we're just blasting through here. We might get stopped out, then we have to just wait for it to get the pullback here. Yeah, we're going way too quick here. Should have seen some kind of resistance. Here's a little resistance. 203, 5. I think it's gonna rip right into my stop. Well, hit it with so close. I might as well just add in 3, double my half my entry, and then little risk, less risk because so close to the stop, right? Down what? 160 on the trade. I think we'll probably go break even if we get stopped out here at 210. 185 now. 192 dropping down. Come on. Let's just see that big wick reject.
Embarrassing.
Let's see if we get this drop here. Come on. I should have added one more, but let's see what our average is. 84. Come on. There we go. A little bit in the profit there. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't. I hate when it does that. It gets me into the money and then comes right back up and stops me out. All right, we're going to drop our little 3-banger. Trail it. $120 on that one. Okay, we're up 70 something on this trade. We're gonna let it do its thing. 875. We're gonna usually we'd be taking profits because we're up like $80, but we got a long way to go on this core account. So it's not gonna be like a my funded futures core account, old school one. So one I didn't pass since the account was so long ago. I've renewed it every month so many times that they don't even have this account anymore. But I still have it because it's like grandfathered in. So I pay like month after month after month of renewal because it was cheap, like $50. So hopefully I can actually turn, even if I renewed it for a year, that's like $600. I get one payout, $2,000. It covers it. Okay, we're coming back up now. I was up $70. See, this is what happens when I hold the trade sometimes. I try and hold it, and then I'll get stopped out. It's only 2 micros, so it's like 200 to 210, so like $40. But we're gonna look to get risk of, what is this, 10-ish points to get 200, maybe like 60, 70 points. Be nice to get. We're looking for the reject here and drop down to like at least 132 to 100 area would be great as well, but I don't know. You don't know? I don't know. I like I'm mixing on some of these trades. Maybe it'll keep me distracted from over trading. Here you go, a little drop in it. I should be trading. I need to get like a could trade mine. Take profit. What is this one? 64? Let me see. I think I only even one, right? I'll try manage this trade on the side a little bit. Yeah, I need position -1. Average on this one. My stop's in the other one. My funded's already risk reward. No, risk is set already. So I'm gonna try to get some money on this. I take profit as well. 80. What's my in 88? So this is about $40 risk on this one. Looking for a bigger move down. Just gotta be patient with these trades here. Hopefully it works my way. Every time I try and hold, seems like I always get stopped out, but you're trying to do something different here. Definitely in my once I get these take profits funded, you got to get that buffer of 1500. It's a trailing drawdown, so you definitely want to take profits as you get them. I wouldn't hold this. I would have just took that 100, put it in a bank, make another 100 till I get that $1,500 buffer, and then when it becomes a static then drawdown, then you can kind of let trades go like this, like an end of day drawdown, static drawdown. Trailing, you just want to take your money and run majority of the time. All right, pushing back up. It's either going to be a plus. How much is this? 30, 70. All right. This might stop me out here. Went from up 70 to coming back into the 90s. Add one more in on our take profit. Risk a little bit. We're up only $40 on that trade. Worst case scenario on this one. What are we risking? 2040. We'll still be up 200 on our. What was on our? My funded. We'll still be up over 200 if we get that trade wrong, but there we go. A little drop there. Shows a little wicked. This wick a little below this wick, so that shows a little something. $40 up on this one, so we're gonna hold it. We're gonna try to hold it. I'm gonna hold for this line with my take profit 169, and I'm gonna take one off. Up 64 on down, up 100 on the other one. I'm gonna take one off on my take profit. Down is a little bit. The average wasn't as good. Should I take one off of my? My funded, we got a lot of way to go with down, so let's try for the bigger. I don't like the way it bounced off that 7.5 though. I don't like the way it bounced, but we'll wait. We'll wait it out. We're looking for at least in the 30s. Maybe retrace back to this moving average down at the 20s. I don't know how to put a stop on my take profit one. So using Tradeovate to trade down just with the DOM, but a little bit of drop there, up 123. Try hold it all the way down. Up 140, 150 on this trade with 2 micros. Looking for this trade area. Halfway down, I think we're going to get a retrace. So between 60 and 30, 70 and 30. So right about 150, I got a feeling we're going to get a retrace. I might just take half there at the, we got like 200 there. Come on, trying to get these. Oh, why am I on this brush? I'm always on the brush making brush marks here. I'll try trap 1 here. 60. There's a push. A trail 1. Almost 100 on that one. Now it's risky if you trade. We pocketed 100 on that one. If it comes back and stop us out, we only lose 40. So, or we could take our money right now and make 200. But like I said, I'm gonna take down off the take profit, up 145 on the day on that one. We'll let this one micro ride on the my funded core. See where it goes from there. I don't know if I should take profit here at the 625 or should I let it roll? You know what I mean? I hate to be up like 200-300 and have it come back and stun me out. Maybe I'll just take, like, I like to be in between 30 and it could actually retrace all the way back down to 58, or it could actually come back and take out the lows. Right now, the risk is only 40 bucks. It's a profitable trade no matter what. I don't know. Hard to hold sometimes. Hard to hold. We'll try to let it go, I feel. I'm gonna let this one go. I'm gonna just not even look at it, let it go. See where it takes me from there. Alright. Popping back up now. Might be just that 2 candle pullback. Oh well. 360. Alright. I'm gonna sit back now. Alright, we're back here. Alright, we're pushing back down now. Not a bad trade. Got a feeling I should have held more, but I could add in here. Don't want to oversize it, but jeez. Wanted to drop. We don't got the fall. We don't got the fall. Did we get the fall? Did we ever put up a fall? We always got to blow up, but oh, we got the fall. I need this one to fall here. I need like a sound for the fall guy. I need that market to fall like that guy right there. Don't pop back up. Don't pop back up. Don't pop back up. Why does that? Why did that image pop back up? That don't make no sense. Why didn't... Oh, that's not a good sign. I actually have a guy falling here, and then he winds up popping back up. Why does my fall guy pop back up? That makes no sense. Especially for my trade. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification. Anytime I go LIVE live, you'll be right here rocking with me, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, hanging out with you. It is a Monday. What is today? Sheesh. August 24th, 2026. Hopefully having a good green day. If not, then... I don't like the way this makes this 2-candle pullback. Guess you gotta have conviction, right? In the trade, conviction to let it go and stop you out, right? I guess so. Even if we get stopped out, then I guess we get stopped out. Here we go. 2-candle pullback. I was already profitable down here. Like, come on. Keep my faith of holding trades. Don't break it down. So, can't nobody hold me down. Hold me down. I guess because I'm on YouTube, I can't really use I get a more funky bed than this. I need better music. Timeless grooves. Try some Neil. Relax on the trade and see where it goes from here. Your boy DJ Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Let's check out who we got live on the prop firm. A lot of prop firm traders now. Top steps on there. Tradeify, Methodical Man, Corey the Phone Trader live, Alpine Trader. Smooth Trader, Play Trader, Old School, Pasha, Major League Trading, Trading with Travis, Blue Skies live? Dang. Where's that? Oh, there you go. A little drop there. I wonder if I should add in. Maybe I should take a risk. Take a risk here. I don't know why, but Now that we broke back down below. What the heck? How come I'm... Oh well. See if we stay under 69 here. We're gonna take a little risk here. This is my impatience getting the best of me. Oh no! My impatience getting the best of me now. Alright, we're gonna risk it for the biscuit. We want to try to get ahead on this trade, so not too much. 66. 10 points is 100, so maybe break even if we get stopped out here. Not the most horriblest thing in the world, but we're looking for down here in the 30s. I kind of like we pulled back into this retracement level, then we pulled back into this halfway level. Now we shouldn't surpass that, so wait. It's 76-ish. I will add again and try it. Alright, here we go, popping up. Go back into that 80. Stay under that 78 hopefully now. Hopefully we don't grind back up. It's gonna kind of disgust me on the train. 93 our stop here. Okay, let's get back down underneath 69 now. There we go. Oh no, I don't like that pop. Come on, drop back. Drop back under. There we go. Wait. Tried to drop my stop under there. There we go. A little something there. There you go. A little bit average there. I don't feel as bad. Now we're going to hold our stop at 93, risking about 20 points? 18 points, not bad. Let's put 2 here in case we can get out by... Hey. Okay, now only risking 3 micros at 93. Now we can set up some take some there. 93 right here. Follow that one down. Take some more profit there. Up 480 now. $20 points. All right, now we're looking for at least 40s. I'm gonna take that and just, oh shoot, I was gonna take it, but it didn't let me take it. All right, 95, 20, 40, 80 bucks. Alright, now we're risking only 40. But we're up 470. What we locked in at 450-ish? 450-ish. We're just 40. So we'll still be over 400 on the day, even if this comes back and takes me out here. But we'll see. See what happens. I like the wick off this 7.5 level. I could go all in right here and then put my stop right above here. Like 29 contracts in. Jeez. Trying to stop the gambler in me from coming out. Trying to get that. Alright. Just kind of vibing here. Yeah. 1, 2. They come against me now. Trying to hold some of these trades a little bit longer. A little bit stronger. Theory on this one. We fib out the leg down here from 29,244 all the way to 28,947. We wait for the retrace back up into this 75%, 87.5. You can see we tapped it right here. Now we're looking for the retrace back down there lower, but at least to the 50%, maybe 37.5. But we'll see, we'll see. Just have to trade, like, you trade one micro, you get like 50 points. It's $100. You do that like 20 trades. Maybe do it twice a day, you get $200. Pass your eval in like 2 to 3 weeks. You get the funded, you do the same, then you get that payout, right? But if you try and blow it like I've been doing lately, no chance, no shot. Alright, anybody in mind? Let me see. You got any questions in the chat? Feel free to hit me up, let me know. Let me, I got none of my chats on the screen, so somebody could be talking to me. I don't even know what's going on there. Alright. Dang, we're almost backwards on this trade now. %, between here 670 and 206, 36, 18 points plus this, so say 78-ish. No, 18 points, 78. No, but 88. 88. So we shouldn't break over 88. I take a risk here just to get our average better. 75. Add in one more. Might be a mistake, but let's see what happens. Definitely want to put our stop back above here. At 10. Ay, look at that pop up. Are we trying to freak me out here? 70, look at that, like 30, 60, $100, 120. I don't think we should have got above there. We'll see if we wick back down. That's the beginning of the candle though. Here it comes. Looking to stop me out. Lucky thing I took those profits on the way down. Hopefully we get wicked back down here. 97. Let's see if we tap 98. Might want to stay under 200 now. might lose our profits here. Trying to. yeah. We're trying to hold our trades, but might be a lesson learned. That's not us. One micro I can see. Once you start dabbling in like not even two, like 4 or 5. Let's see it. There we go. Popped up over. And it's going to stop me out here like a fool. Maybe 210 is protected enough. Nope, 206. Let's try it. If we can. Come on, just break down for me. I did it a little bit. Come on. That was just to swipe the top, right? That was just to swipe the top, not back over 206. 97 is our. There you go. 97 is our spot. Get below 97. Don't hold 98. 98 is a nice spot for. I took it off there, so got that 6 off just to average in. Let me just take that 2 as well. See, it's always like just take out that high and then up 440 now. Now we're just risking only like. I'll just take this last one off. Now we're risking only like 6 points. Just let it go. If it hits us, it hit us. We still made profit on the trade about like we're gonna lose like 4, 6, 12 bucks. Man, see if it runs down. Let me give it to 13 in fact. Make it the right price. Alright. We'll let that one micro ride now. Might get stopped out. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll come back and hopefully we'll be down here. Hopefully. I'll be back. Yes, sir. Just got stopped out. Still up 400 on that core account. So lucky thing we took the profits. We'll see if we take out these areas as well. Let me just go into my line extension. There we go. Breaking over the red lines here. This was the original drop from this morning. So now we're wicking. If we wick back under this 206, then might try a quick short scalp. We break below this 206 again. That was like a 90 to 30 point move. Should have took it from the extension. Because if we move this to the actual, this one up from the drop, then this becomes the 7.5. That's hard to say what the market is trying to do over here. Under 99 here. Let's take a quick scalp if we can. Dang, that was a major pullback, but from 24 to... Hey, I might have made a mistake on that. Let's go 208 then. I may give back like $100, but if we stay under that 206, should be good. We'll pop in one more real quick, see if we get that scalp from that average. Yeah, we don't need much. We just need a little drop. I'm gonna risk probably like $150 here. We might get stopped out there. That might have been a mistake. Yeah. Come on, just a quick drop. Quick drop below the 7.5. Stay below that 6. 5 on the bid. 5 on the bid. Don't want to see. No. 7.8. 6, 7, 7, 8. We got stopped out. Dang it. Lost some of that trade. That's the gambler side of me. See where this goes now. Wicked here. I might get a drop down. Let's try it one more time. I kind of like this drop here. This line here, this line here, this line half, so that might be it. I liking this kind of like wick here. This is the halfway. Might get the drop here. This might be the drop. Hopefully, we come up to like here. I'm gonna add in 5 more. Risk a couple hundred. I think the probability is high that this might be way for the drop. I don't like the way it held here though. That's the only thing. Holding on the way up. Average 201. Nah, I don't want to add in right on the break even. Five. 201, when we hit like 11-ish, 12, 13-ish, I'm gonna add in 5 more if we get up that high. Not we're gonna wait for the drop for about like 20 points, get a couple $100. Now we're in the red line zone, so This is the reversal zone right here between the red lines. Might have been marked off the wrong. Instead of this drop, we took this drop. Definitely the bigger wick here. I always should take the candle with the bigger wick. Something I gotta note to myself. Take the candle with the bigger wick. This is a big candle, but this is a big candle with the bigger wick. The bigger rejection. That means sellers are defending here a lot more. So see if we get this drop back down into like the low of this candle in the 80s. That'll be like 20 points or so, maybe. Hopefully. Wait. I think when I get on that drawing tool, I forget to switch it back. Just gonna watch this area here. Watch our candle as well. PLC is right here at like 205, 206 as well on a 1 hour. Wait till 213. If we hit 213, we'll. Make sure I have patience on this trade here. We lost half our profits on that last fiasco trade. Still up 180 right now, 200. See if we get that 200 back and then some, and then what are we up on our take profits? The one is only up 148, but I kind of like this red zone trade. Making sense to me right here. Top here, whack here, the 875. Now we test halfway back, so it's kind of stair step down. Boom, boom, boom. Could be wrong. Let's see. Ugh. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna tap into that 13 right now. 12, 11, 12, 10. Ooh, we might even tap that 13. 11, 10, ooh. Should have known. Maybe we won't tap that 13. Maybe 12 I should have put it. Oh well. Not gonna chase it down. Just gonna let it do its thing. Kinda wanna see the low of this candle here, so looking for like the 90s, 80s. For take profit. There's a little drop. 90s, we'll take it. We took that. Back up to 286 now. Maybe the drop here. I don't know, because it's like how it's stair stepping up. I don't like it, so I'm gonna take that 286. I don't know. Other than that, what can you do? What can you do other than that? Nothing much. Yeah, we're kind of like boom, stair step up, boom, stair step up. I don't know. After that, I don't know. Up 286 on my eval, 900 on that core total. Up 497 on the first day builder. Take profit. Up was this 244, 1292. So That one's I'm almost past. I don't want to try and rush it. Let's up 145, 479 total. I don't know. We're gonna let it roll for now and see what happens. This might be the pullback though. This might be it. This might be it. Or I mean, if we just take 2 here, right? Sell it and then, right? Anytime we go small, it seems to go in our direction right away. Anytime we go big, it goes against us. Smaller size, smaller the size, double the stop. Was that? Smaller the size, double the stop. That's all we can say. I don't like the way this stair steps, but it might be like a trap for them. Nine turtles. Dang, so much people watch this other guy. All right, let's go. Might pop up against me. I might have got kicked by that. I might have got flicked by that wick, or fooled by that wick, I should say. 98, 99. Yeah, I think that wick always does that. It wicks against it, and then it thinks like, oh, it's rejecting it, and then the candle comes out and pops up. All right, so. Let's see what happens here. Just keep the 4. 97. 2-candle pullback might be the pump fake. I don't know. That might be a pump fake there. $200. Kind of holding that 200. Yeah, look, it's gonna hit me. Should have been 206, maybe. I don't know. Still up 200 on the day on that count. Dang, there it went under. It was kind of like a trap to get up there. $86. All right. Red zone trade, see. Should have more faith in it. Smaller the size, double the risk. Not smaller the size. What was my thing? I forget what I said earlier now. Double the risk. Alright, 233. To extend it down now near this EMA. We'll wait up 233. Fighting that account. Pull back there. We'll add some there. We will enter on a little pullback. See 80. What are we average? 85. Looking for 75 here. Be $100. What is this? Buy? Alright, let's see what happens here. I don't know. I gotta get some viewers on here. That's the echo there. There we go. Took that profit, $100. 5 micros. Is it 10 points? Yeah. Right into this EMA. I didn't touch it yet, but it's also halfway into this zone right here. Let's see if we mark it off. Right there, 78 is the middle of this zone. It is what it is. Up 336, so only down like $70 from our 400 we were up earlier. So now we wait because we're in the middle. Won't want to diddle in the middle, otherwise you will get burned. Am I fire even right? Yeah, that's some hot fire. Spit hot fire. Spit hot fire. Spit hot fire. All right, I think that might make it a wrap for me today. Let's go out and let's mark it up. 497 on the builder, first day, 25K, 1500 target, 1/3 of the way there. My funded futures core, 336 on the day, 969, 3,000 to get that funded. Take profit up 244 on one account. That is up 12, almost 1,300, 200 to pass that. Might take a risk on that today since we're up 200. And then take profit, the other one, up 145, up 500 on the day. Overall, 1,500 profit target to get it funded. So we might take a shot at this one because we are up 200, so we can risk 200 to make the 200. We might do that. Let's do that before we let me get out of this. My funded futures, and then let's log in our trader vein. Let's log into our take profit. Let's get in our account, which is 194. This one we need, what is it? $208, 208, yeah. But we're going to wait for the trade to play out here. We'll be right back. Bye. Two. All right. just she had that playing in the background. All right, let's just wrap it up for today. Where's all my stuff? I'm gonna wrap it up. Appreciate you tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. You guys have a good one. Up green on all the trades. We'll see if we pass that take profit one today and get that funded tomorrow. We'll see what goes with that. You guys have a good one. Peace, love, aloha, and we'll catch you guys next time.